When it comes to laser engraving, there's a lot of new bells and whistles that have hit the market, but nothing has been more impactful than mounting cameras and AI technology within the machine. Whether it be a CO2, a diode, or a fiber laser like this one, whenever you have cameras and AI, you are going to be able to locate a design much better than before. Most machines have little pegs on them. That allows us to corner something nicely, but it takes time to align it and so forth. Instead, if I just plop it down and I have camera and AI technology, I'm able to quickly rotate and place my design perfectly onto that product and not think twice. Or maybe you're using the conveyor belt like this one with the F2 Ultra, in which I can just locate one patch or one pen, one type of product, and then continuously feed onto the belt more and more items to be engraved. Camera and AI, I can't state it enough how much easier life is with these two tools inside the machine. That with a good interface, it just makes the process go from, oh, I'm intimidated, to this is a lot of fun. Highly recommend. Look at the xTool lineup of equipment. They always have cameras and AI built into their machines. Those bells and whistles are worth every penny. If I was looking at an xTool with a camera and another brand without it, and the one was 30% less, it was 50% less, no camera. I'm paying 50% more for the one with the camera and the AI. It will make up for the amount of time and the amount of mistakes you make when you don't have a camera and AI built into the equipment. If you have any questions about why cameras and AI technology have made laser engraving so much easier and so much more worth getting into, don't hesitate reaching out to us at printphase.com.